I want to, in this video, talk about the uses of C9 to C16. It means that those alkanes that has carbon atom number from 9 to 16. The nonanes C9 through about hexadecanes C16 are higher boiling point liquids that are somewhat viscous. These alkanes are used in kerosene, jet fuels, and diesel fuels. Kerosene, the lowest boiling of these fuels, was once widely available but is now harder to find. It is less volatile than gasoline and less prone to forming explosive mixtures. Kerosene was used in kerosene lamps and heaters, which use wicks to allow this heavier fuel to burn. Jet fuel is similar to kerosene, but more highly refined and less odorous. Diesel fuel is not very volatile, so it doesn't evaporate in the intake air. In a diesel engine, the fuel is sprayed directly into the cylinder right at the top of the compression stroke. The hot, highly compressed air in the cylinder causes the fuel to burn quickly, swirling and vaporizing as it burns. Some of the alkanes in diesel fuel have fairly high freezing points, and they may solidify in cold weather.